Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to create multiple directories and multiple files. So we're going to start off with the subroutine called create directories. And we're going to create these directories on the desktop, so we will create the path to the desktop, which is path, which is going to be equal to C:. By the way, I'm on Windows here, so that's going to be users mark desktop. Okay, this path here will be different on your computer, so if you just type this into your computer you'll get an error unless you've got exactly the same path, which I really doubt. So basically you've got to get the path for your own computer, and then we do chdir change directory to the path there, so we're going to be in that directory. We're going to be on the desktop there, and we're going to use the for loop. So for my, and I'm going to create a variable here called I from 1 to 5. So we're going to create 5 new directories here, and we'll just, whoops, what have we done there? Make that look a little bit neater, and I'm going to start off with my scalar new directories. Okay, there's going to be equal to, let's have a look, I'm going to say call it my new directory. It's going to be equal to new directory tag this on here. Okay, and then we're going to do the make directory command, and that's going to be new directory. Let's have a look. New directory. Oops, shouldn't have done that. And then we're going to print out a message to the user, which is going to be new directory created. What's wrong there? That was an accident. Okay, so we're just going to call it. Let's have a look. We call it create directories. I'm just going to save it there and run it. Okay, a little bit of an error here, syntax error. Okay, slight issue here. That should not be there. Okay, let's save that and let's run the program. Okay, new directory 1 created, so we've created 5 new directories there. Let's just check, make sure we've created them, and there they are on the desktop. Okay, so let's go back and let's do the same with files. So I'm just going to remove that from there. I'm going to create a subroutine called create multiple files. Okay, so again we're going to do my scalar path. We're going to create them on the desktop. So it's going to be c:/users mark desktop. Okay, chdir, change directory to that path above. Okay, and we're going to use 4 each now. We could use 4 if we wanted to, but I'm just going to be slightly different on this, so I'm going to be using a 4 each. So I'm going to be using the scalar I as well, and we're going to do 1, 1, 2, 1 to 5, because we're going to create 5 files. Okay, just do that. We're going to create 5 new files on the desktop. So we're going to use open, and this is creates the file here. File handler, and this will create the file. I'm going to give it a name. Let's have a look. New text, and then the scalar I onto the end, so that will give it a name like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. And then we've got the error handler or die. So I'm just going to put a generic error message in here. If anything goes wrong, it'll spit out this error message here, an error. Okay. Right. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to print out this. Print new files have been created. Okay, and now all we have to do is to simply call the program create multiple files. Save it and run it. Okay, so there we go. New files have been created. New files have been created. Let's have a look if it's actually created them. There we go. All the new files have been created on the desktop. So there you go. Bob's your auntie and Fanny is your uncle. Or the other way around. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. So I hope you enjoyed that. And if you did, remember to hit that subscribe button below. Drop me a comment and hit that bell notification as well, so you never miss another video. And I will see you in another one. Bye-bye.